$308 Australian laminating debubble all-in-one machine operation instructions. This is the machine. Pick up from the packing box. Take out the filter inside the package. Take out the wrench for this installation. First, determine the filter installation direction. The arrow points in the direction of the power plug. Plug in the tube. Remove the 2 screws from the filter. Tighten the screws. This is the drain for the air system. Do the regularly check. When water is found, press the thimble to drain it. Plug in the power supply and turn on the power switch. The touch screen starts working. Let's start setting. Set the vacuum pressure to 95 kilopascals. The laminating time is 30 seconds. Laminating temperature is 45 degrees. Defoaming time for 5 minutes. UV curing time, 1 minute. Laminating pressure adjustment. Pull out the pressure regulator. Adjust the laminating pressure clockwise to increase. Adjust the laminating pressure counterclockwise to reduce. Adjust the laminating pressure to 4 kg/F.cm. After adjustment, press the pressure regulator to lock. Turn on the display light. Start cleaning the screen. The dust is visible under the dust lamp. Turn on the dust-free blower. The dust-free air is to ensure there is no dust on the LCD screen. Then find the right position for the front glass and LCD screen. Remove the protective film with OCA cover. Put in the mold. Click the LCD center when in right position. Put in the laminating zone. There are laminating sponges in the laminating zone. The front glass is in the upside. Take care of the flex cable, then lid on, press start. The machine began to vacuum. After the vacuum reaches 95 kPa, delay 10 seconds. Achieve optimal vacuum pressure. After another 30 seconds of lamination, apply pressure to debubble. The bubble pressure is about 7 kilograms F.cm, then stop. After reaching the set time of 5 minutes, the debubble finished. Open the lid and take out the screen. Check there are no bubbles. Perfect. Began to clean. Check again. Check that the screen is perfectly bubble-free under the dust light. Now begin UV curing. Curing time is set to 1 minute. Open the drawer of the UV curing box. Put the screen in. Click the UV key to start. The UV lamp starts to work. When the UV word on the screen becomes white, time up. Take out the LCD. All finished.